Hello, my name is Joel Windsor, manager of MusicFestivalSuite.com. Windsor Graphics is pleased to offer Music Festival Suite to festivals across Canada. You are watching this video because you are a volunteer or employee of a festival that subscribes to Music Festival Suite.
This video will help you understand how to help your users with paying their registration fees, as well as seeing registrations as they pour in.
Please note that while this video walkthrough is meant to help you, it is not an exhaustive look at all of the details of the system. For more refined details, read the printable MusicFestivalSuite.com administration manual available on the Subscribing Festivals pages at MusicFestivalSuite.com.
When it comes to registration fees, you can set each class's registration fee in the Classes admin, described in more detail in Episode 3 Syllabus Management in the Getting Started chapter of our tutorial videos. However, there are additional fees that you can manage, including late registration fees and transaction fees. Access these by way of the Subscription admin page. Here you can set a blanket late registration fee that is either a flat rate that you set or is calculated as a percentage of the regular registration fees for classes. These fees will only be charged if a person submits registration during a late period that you designate. You can also set a transaction fee that is applied to every transaction, regardless of which registration period you are in. Registrants can enter a large quantity of registrations but only pay once, and this is encouraged because a transaction fee is applied each time they submit payment via PayPal. Again, you can set this rate to be either a flat rate or a percentage calculated of the entire transaction. Music Festival Suite does not process payments. We leave that to the professionals at PayPal. Participants don't need a PayPal account, although they can use one that is linked directly to their bank account if they wish. However, they can use any credit card that PayPal accepts, including MasterCard, Visa, American Express, and others. We use PayPal because it is arguably the most secure financial transaction system on the internet. We also make a point to encourage festivals to accept online payments only. This makes life easier on you, the organizers, and your treasurer, and we all know that a happy treasurer makes for a happy festival board. That being said, if a person is completely unable to pay by credit card or PayPal, there is a workaround. However, we heavily encourage you to avoid using it. The workaround is found in the Registration Admin menu under Paid Not Paid. In here you can find a listing of every registration entered, sorted in any manner you wish. You will also easily see the red Not Paid designation given to a registration whose payment is still outstanding. If you click on Not Paid, you will see an option to enter a payment that you have received manually. Your transaction ID can be anything you wish, such as received by e-transfer or check number 412. If you choose to charge them a manual processing fee, you can also enter that here. Once entered, that registration will be marked as paid. For people who need a reminder to pay their registration fees, you can send a targeted email to them using the email composer in Registration Admin. This email composer is different than the one that appears in Profiles Admin. The one in Profiles Admin will send to every profile you select, whereas the email composer in Registration Admin will only send to those people you select who have registered this year in the festival. This allows you to target your messages only to those people who are involved in the specific classes you identify. For any other problems with accepting payments, we recommend you contact our support team directly. As registrations come in, you will be able to see these registrations in two places in Music Festival Suite: the Registration Admin page and the Profiles Admin page. If you would like to see registrations entered by a specific individual, go to the Profiles Admin page and access that person's profile. You will be able to see every registration they have entered, including whether or not they have been paid. If you would like to see all the registrations in a specific class, go to the Registrations Admin page and select the class you wish to view. Here you will see every registration entered in that class, including a quick overview of the details of those registrations. In either location, if you happen to notice an error, you can easily edit those registrations. You are also permitted to delete registrations, but we caution you against doing that without having gone through every other avenue possible to make that registration a valid one. Likely the only time you will actually delete a registration is when it is an obvious duplicate that you have confirmed with the registrant, or payment has not been submitted for a registration, although there are ways to keep an unpaid registration without being forced to schedule it. But that is for a video in the next chapter of videos under scheduling. You can also keep notes on when you've had to provide support to an individual. For example, If an entrant contacts you saying they need to change a registration, you can of course provide that support, but also log the support you've provided directly into that person's profile. This helps all your administrators stay on the same page for the next time that person calls.
If you need to see more details of your subscription with musicfestivalsuite.com, refer to the MFS Admin Manual available on the Subscribing Festivals page of www.musicfestivalsuite.com. If you need an answer not provided in the manual, please feel free to send your questions to support@musicfestivalsuite.com. Thank you for viewing this administrative tutorial.